So I ended up getting this for like 75 bucks when he marked it for 100. Started. The battery was dead, so it kind of killed the price a little bit because he said it ran good. So, in other words, I had to go back and get a trailer, and he said if it didn't start, he'd just push it on there, push it on my trailer for free, and I'd take it for free. So, it was either $75 if it started, or free if I had to push it on. So a really good deal. And this thing I got for 45 bucks. He says it runs. I believe him because this runs. Because we drove it up on. I ended up paying 75 bucks. Really good deal. It runs. Crazy deal. He also threw in all this other good stuff. Came with a bucket. He even threw in some belts and a battery. What a deal. So first thing what we're gonna do is swap that battery because that's pretty dead. So she's pretty dirty, but she'll clean up. I'm gonna swap that battery off real quick, the one he gave me. So, new battery. Well, he said it was kind of new. So, just swap that out. We'll try to give her a turn. That thing is dead flat. Worse than the other one. The other one it would at least turn somewhat. That's hilarious. I'll take that one off or try to give it a bump. So that's the original battery that was in it. It had more charge than the one he gave me, so I figured I'd charge that. It would at least turn over, but it wouldn't start. So anyways, I had it on the charge for maybe an hour. Hopefully she'll turn over. We'll put her in. So just put the older battery in it. If this don't quite work, then I'll just take both batteries and get a new one. We'll try giving it a start, see if that works. It should. It started once. There's not much charge on it. She's a runner. She wanted to escape on me. Needs a good cleaning. She's crusty and busty right now, so she'll take a good cleaning. Might get a plug for her. I don't know what this guy did for maintenance. And we're off. This is first. She seems like she wants to move pretty good though. Go. Tried going up a gear. Try to see if she'll clean up a little bit. I'm not worried about much, but I want to clean a little bit. See how it looks. Some purple power. The other side. It's all crusty up there. I'm sure that will come right off. Yeah. Check it out. Coming back to life. $75. What are you gonna say? So, cleaned up all right. That's just where it had to take. Not shabby. I put maybe some clear on it. This is a little dull, so I can clean that up. Yeah, can't beat that. $75. Craziest deal I got already this year. I can actually read the VIN now. Crazy. Love deals like that. My other one I got. Yeah. It's been running for like 15 minutes or so. I just cleaned it up, let it run the whole time, but probably needs an oil change and some plugs. So, to run perfect. It runs good now, but why not do a plug and oil? So what we got is a pin right there, a pin right there on each side, and that should unhook everything from here, because I guess the guy cut the belt off because I guess it was already too stretched. So we're gonna do that belt. It should be able to cut. Needs to be clean. We're gonna do that. Check that light out. There's that pin, and that pin. Just finish that. And that one right there. It's hard to see. But anyways, I'm gonna do the other side, same thing. We got one more that has that spring. The cotter pin right on that one. So gotta hook that. So 5 total. And here we are. It's all out. I put the belt around here, swing it around these, bring it down through. I clean that all up. And that'll be a mess again. But I end up unhooking this one instead. That's easier. So I'll put the belt on real quick. So kind of like so. Goes around that, swoops out, goes out. Alright. Probably the easiest way to help yourself out. Just put a jack under that so you can lift it up. Or just lift up your mower if you don't have a bumper. And just roll it on, start here and just keep pushing it around. But it's all on. Fits nice and tight. So we got our new filter on there. You just gotta add oil. Look how dirty that is. The guy didn't take care of it, but whatever, I've got it cheap. Yeah, she's pretty thick stuff. That'll be the oil change, I guess. I already have the new filter on, so drain that now and give her a rip after. Oil just filled. Plug probably hasn't been changed about 50 years. So much crap on it. So I figured I'd do that. I took the bumper off because I wanted to do the plug. So here we are. I got a brand new one. It's gonna go right back in. There's a nice shiny new one. Gonna go right in there. So it started after a few boosts. Cranked over a little hard, but it's running now. We're going to take her out for a spin. It's running. Blade is working. Put a new belt on it. Plug, oil. Thing runs pretty good now. I took off the bumper so I could do the plug because it's right in the front, and the hood don't go down that far, so I took that off. But it cleaned up pretty good. I bought the mower for $75. A plug, oil, and a belt. The belt was like $23. So I have like under 120, under 130 bucks in it. And a running and driving cotton mower. Can't beat that. There's gonna be more updates on this. I want to do a lot with it. I might shine that up. But yeah, running and driving. Can't beat that. Under 150 bucks, all good. Thanks for watching and God bless.